Hey guys, Hasib here. Welcome to this video. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about Facebook ads, winning ad creatives. What I mean by that is we're going to talk about what kind of ads or what type of ads work the best for local business lead generation Facebook ads. I do a lot of local business Facebook ads and I generate a lot of quality leads. So from my experience, I have gathered some information. So I'm going to talk about those and I'm going to show you some actual ad creatives that I think that I know works the best. So I'm going to give you everything in this video. So make sure you subscribe and join our Facebook group if you want more information and free stuff like ad creatives and videos and images like that. So I constantly keep sharing stuff in the group, so make sure you join that. Now, with that being said, the best kind of ad creatives that work are videos comparing to images, because videos have higher reach and they actually grab the attention of quality leads, unlike images. So there are a lot of types of videos. Number one, talking head video. What I mean by that is the business owner shoots himself on a camera or a phone stating out the offer, like, hey, I'm John from this company and we are offering a 10% off on junk removal or demolition services, and get in touch. We do residential, commercial, industrial, and if you're in any place, New York or like Austin, Texas, just get in touch and we will give you a 10% discount if you are working first time with us. And that's the offer, 15 or 20 or 30 seconds even. And while that person is talking, there will be slight transition of project images, will be slight transition of videos of the person or the company doing their job. Those kinds of videos work the best, guys, trust me. The second type of video is a short form video that works like a testimonial video. So the customer is giving testimonial through a phone, and on top or on the bottom there will be the offer written, get a 10% discount, whatever the offer is, right? So the offer is really important, and make sure you have that on the talking head video as well, somewhere written down on the video. While the person is talking, there will be the offer written down, that 10% discount. The third one is, if you cannot manage anything like those, I don't think these are really hard to manage. These are really easy, right? So shooting yourself on a video is like on a camera is nothing. So if you have the third kind of video, which is slight transition, so videos of you doing the job, working on a spot or on a project, or some authentic images, not stock images, authentic images of like, no matter how crappy the images are, doesn't matter. Facebook traffic, they always want to see like real stuff, not stock stuff. Like even if they are like pretty, doesn't matter. So use some authentic images as slight transitions, like animated images coming and going, the second image and the offer written somewhere in the video. So these are three kind of videos that work. Don't use any carousel images. They're really meant for e-commerce. The fourth kind of ad type is an image. So still image of company car. What I mean by that is, if I search for like a roofing company truck or car, so if you have a car like this for your company, or if you're a client, if you're an agency owner, if your client has something like this, just an image with the phone number visible and the offer written down somewhere in the image. That's all we need, guys, trust me. So that's one of the images. And there could be a fifth kind of image that works, team photo. So roofing team photo, what I mean by that is, let me explain. Yep, this kind of image, they also work the best. So there are 5 kind of ad creatives that work the best. Talking head, the best. Testimonial, also the best. Slight transition video, still image of company car, and team photo. So these are the 5 kinds of ad creatives that work the best. Now I'm going to talk about the ad written copies. So these are the ad copies. These are the text that people see. So attention, local area, this is the offer, this is what they do, some USP, and what kind of services they offer, and the final call to action. This is going to be the format again. Attention, location owners, this is the offer, this is what we provide on briefly, this is a USP, and again in detail what we provide, and the final call to action. So you can make a couple variations out of this, the same thing, the same format, and see which one works. Give the algorithm to work and see which one works best, So this is going to be the ad type, and let me actually show you one of the ads. So this is what I did. I actually did it on a different video, but this video is only about what works and what doesn't. This is not about setting up the campaign. So this is the ad. What I did is I used this one as ad copy, and I used a good catchy headline: get a no obligation free estimate. I would write down get a 10% off, but the 10% off actually shows in the video, so I didn't use it. So that's for the ad copy, and that's for the video. And let me actually show one of the videos that I created. This is a slide transition video, by the way, so you can get an idea. So I'll play this video for you now.
If you're in Nashville, Tennessee or any surrounding areas and need junk removal, we are offering 10% off on our first service. We offer residential, commercial, post-renovation cleanup, and many more. Get in touch today for a no-obligation free estimate and get a 10% discount on your first job.
So this is what we need, guys. This is the video. This is the third kind of video that I was talking about. Slide transition, some videos, some images, and the offer written down on the video. And if you have talking head and testimonial, that's cherry on top, trust me. And these kind of videos work the best. And yeah, that's it for this video. That's what I wanted to really discuss with you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you think these videos are helping, and join our group to get more free resources like this. I keep sharing resources almost every day, so make sure you join the group, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.